By every yardstick, Jimmy Pattison might very well be the most successful business person in British Columbia. He's doing about $10 billion worth of business. He hasn't lost his sense of humor, he hasn't lost his dedication to his work ethic, and he's 90 years old. He's a good friend. If you don't know Jimmy Pattison, get to know him. When I interviewed him at the Top 100, the BC Business Top 100, he told the story of when he was visiting one of his supermarkets on Vancouver Island. And he was so impressed with the spotless floor that he was walking on. It was shiny, but not slippery. And so he said to the manager, "Who is responsible for this?" And the manager said, "The janitor." So Jimmy said, I want to talk to the janitor. So he brought the janitor over, and I don't think the janitor knew who he was talking to. And Jimmy said, "How do you make these floors so sparkling beautiful and clean and yet not slippery?" And he said, "Well, the first thing I do is I don't listen to head office." When Jimmy heard that story and told that story, he turned to the audience of about 1,000 people and he said, "You can do one thing better than anybody else. Find out what that one thing is and be the very best at it." For this guy in Vancouver Island, it was shining floors. What is it for you? Find out what you're really good at, what you're best at, and excel at that. Make it a great day.